Everyone, in this series we will learn Adobe Franklin. We also call it as Project Helix or Edge Delivery Services. So we'll learn about what is this project, what we can achieve with this project, and how it is different from Adobe Experience Manager. Let's first understand this term called Edge Delivery Services. So Edge Delivery, we all know what is cloud, and in any of the application which is hosted on cloud, Edge delivery is a very a normal term. What it is basically, as I'm a user and I'm searching some content on web, now there are servers hosted on multiple geographical locations. The server very close to me should serve that request. So for example, I have taken this picture from AWS documentation. Maybe when I'm searching some content or I need some computation done through web. So there are multiple servers available throughout the geography, but since I'm in India, maybe these two servers should serve my request. So these are nothing called the edge services, which are deployed on multiple geography, and the relevant geography, which is very proximity wise near to the user, should serve your request. Now the same term is used here also. The edge delivery services means your content will be served to the user based on proximity, because of course there will be latency wise, there will be lesser latency. Okay, now the what documentation says, edge delivery refers to the process of delivering content from servers that are located close to the end user's geographic location, and this is typically achieved through a CDN. Now this term is also not new to all the tech people's content delivery network. In this tutorial, the Adobe Franklin project, it uses two types of CDNs. One is the Fastly and the second one is the Cloudflare. Okay, now edge delivery services from Franklin project is nothing but a composable set of services. Composable means services which can be utilized to achieve a common goal, can be combined to achieve a goal, composable set of services. And of course, I mean, as per documentation, it says rapid development environment. Though we might think that this is achievable in the normal Adobe Experience Manager as well, but we'll see what is the difference. It says like rapid development environment. Author can update and publish quickly. It is possible in AEM also. Yeah, a way to author content using Google Drive or Microsoft Office via SharePoint and publish. Yeah, so this is something new, and that's why this Adobe Franklin is also called document-based authoring. So currently in AEM, what will happen? The AEM authors will go to AEM sites. They will create the content, create the pages, etc. using AEM author environment. Then will publish the pages, and that will go to the end site as an end site for the users. Here the difference is the authors will use Google Drive, documents, or Microsoft Office Word via SharePoint. There they will do the authoring, etc. But of course there will be a template. They cannot just do and start adding something, but yeah, there is a template defined. I mean, if you want to achieve a proper look and feel on the end side, there is a way we need to author that. So that guidance or that technicalities will still be there. But yeah, the authoring can be done via Google Drive or Microsoft Office, and the AEM author option is also available. So that is not going anywhere. So we can do authoring to Google Drive, the document-based authoring, as well as the AEM authors. And the code will lie in GitHub. So for AEM projects also it lies in GitHub, but we will see what is the difference here. I mean, why it is explicitly mentioned. Okay. And the idea behind this project is now in AEM projects, first we need to train the AEM authors so that they know how do we create the pages, how do we create the sites, how do we configure the various functional components. Now the idea here is for non-AEM background person also, you can just create the content using Word documents. The Word documents can be converted to Google Docs, etc. But yeah, again, they need that technical information. If we want a particular view on the end site, then what are the steps? How do we configure that? That that knowledge is still needed. Stay connected. Let's continue learning what we achieved through Adobe Franklin project. Thank you so much.